we go into setup and go into the menu options, you'll now see that there is a connections type. You'll also see we added the manage tags some time ago. On manage tags, we talked about this last week. I now have the search capability on here. So if I type in something like, agent, if I type in at least 3 characters, it will find anything with those characters in there. So that search will make it a little bit easier. Jose has like 1,300 tags, and finding a tag was like really a challenge. But we did add the connection types. So if you go into connection types, it will show you the different connection types that are available and what its reciprocal is. It's if you're adding spouse, then the reciprocal is spouse. But if you're adding like father, it may be son, it may be daughter, it may be daughter-in-law, whatever. So there are different types of options. If we don't have all of the options, you've come across something that you need, you can now come up here to the top here, and you can add your own connection types. I forget which one it was. In a relationship. Both of them are in a relationship. They're not spouses. They're not necessarily boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatever. But that one was requested by Jose, so I was using that as an example here. You guys don't have that, but if you need it, you can add it.